Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks you later. Confirm you meet eligibility, age, ID, and a stable Google account, then install Android Studio and JDK 11 or newer. Once done, create or access a Google Play Console account and enable two-step verification. This secures exam access. Make sure your development machine meets specs and open Android Studio to create a simple sample app. This first project proves you can build, run, and debug before moving on. Now you deep dive into the middle work. Study the exam objectives and map them to hands-on projects. You should build 3 focused apps, one UI-heavy, one with networking and APIs, and one storing local data, because practical experience reveals gaps textbooks miss. Once you have projects, add unit and UI tests, profile performance, and fix memory or threading issues. Make sure to use both emulator and a physical device to validate behavior. This dual approach prevents surprises on exam tasks. To finish, register and schedule your proctored exam. Read the rubric so you know how solutions are scored. During final prep, complete full-timed practice tasks and review your code for maintainability and tests. Grading favors clear, working solutions. On exam day, manage time. Allocate minutes per task and submit early if complete. If something goes wrong, connection, emulator, or submission, capture screenshots, device logs, and timestamps. Then contact support immediately with that evidence to expedite troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.